Hi guys, my name's Tucker Vandersloot. I'm here with five-time President's Award winner Westbrook Honda using one of their beautiful CRVs. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the remote start system on your brand new 2026 Honda.
So Honda, just like many other manufacturers, uses their key fob for the remote starter system. So what you want to do first is you want to make sure that the vehicle is locked by double clicking the lock button. And then you're going to go and hold the remote starter button and wait for the lights to flash 3 times. So we're going to see it 1, 2, 3. We can let go of the key fob there, and your new Honda is now started.
So sometimes when you go to remote start your vehicle, you didn't mean to, something came up, you can't get out there. I'm going to show you guys how to stop the remote start. So we're going to go up to the key fob here, and the same button that we clicked to start the vehicle, we're just going to go ahead and hold that again. You can see the light flash, and the vehicle's off. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you learned something about it. And if you have any questions regarding the remote starter system or any questions about your Honda, feel free to reach out to us at 860-399-9300.